Howdy now, my name's Nick and welcome to my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos each week. This week I thought I'd give you a tour of my bus and tell you how it came to be. But first, if you want to see the bus in action, you can go to the Go Ahead page. That's one of my roommates. We took to Vancouver Island. It was a great time. Links in the description. So I did this conversion. I got the bus for around $4,000. The most expensive singular part of the conversion was the solar panels and batteries and converter. That was around $2,000. And then the rest of it was around $4,000, so you could do it around $10,000 Canadian. That's what I did for. In October of 2017, I decided I've always wanted a bus, and I've had this idea for a while, so I decided to look for buses on Kijiji. I found one in Crescent, which is about 5 hours away from Kelowna, so Mal and I took a trek down there. Didn't even take her for a test drive, just saw she'd run. Brought her back home here, and then it sat here until the Christmas break where I drove it to Calgary to do the conversion with my dad. So huge props to him. Wouldn't been able to do it without him. We spent like 12-hour days for 3 weeks straight working on it, but we got her done. After a quick paint in the summertime, you're live.
Who's been walking on my bus?
Here's the garage. Come on in.
So for the solar system, the batteries are here. It's connected to the inverter. Here's the control panel. And this puts the energy into the breaker box, which sends it throughout the cables to the plugins and everything else. Propane tank. Here's the water tank.
All aboard!
I think this is the best part of all buses. Plugins, you can have pretty much anything you want in. When it comes to heaters, have to be a certain wattage or override the inverter. So we got power.
Solar, baby!
Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is the bus. The sink. Stove. It's all gravity fed, so it comes from the tank in the back there, through the wall, through the pipe, down and up, so it doesn't have too much pressure when it comes out of there. Or this one is that nozzle outside, you can plug a hose into it. Here's the hose plug-in for the tap. Dirty water drain under there. Another plug-in, some storage. This is where the propane comes in for the stove. Keep this shut or else stuff flies out. My cutlery. Table flips up here. Just like this. Sit down there. And for traveling, you just take it down. She stowed away. Both benches fold up. Got a cooler. That's where I'll keep all my stuff. This one's got all my tools, just in case you break down the side of the road. Here's where I lay my pretty head to rest, in a loft bed. Had to fashion some cushions in there to make her fit. Got the speakers, get her booming, for emergencies only. Bearded. Emergency hatches in case she gets a little steamy. Under the bed is just more storage. With a hanger back here. Another plug in there. Some more storage under there. This one is where the fridge goes. I don't have it in right now, but put this in here. Strap her across so the fridge doesn't fall out when we're driving, when we're whaling. Got an extra bed for the boys when they come. It's a little skimpy, but it'll do. Seating's pretty much a free-for-all. Found those at a party. That's where the boys sit when we're driving. If you're really feeling luxury, take out one of these bad boys. Here's my placemat. Every country I've been to. Got Canada, Costa Rica, Morocco, Spain, Mexico, States. Got Gibraltar there. Many more to come. That's where the captain sits. Here's my options. I don't got a lot to work with. Got some heat. Got some more heat. Got the tunes. Some more storage. Got my headlamp in there. Safety first. Safety first. Safety first. If anybody who's ever wanted to get a bus like this and renovate it, highly recommend it. It's a perfect way to get around. Never have to pay for a hotel. You can camp anywhere you want. The one thing I'd do is check with your registry and wherever you're at, because for me, for example, in BC, I had to do, I couldn't have the propane tank or the water, anything like that, in where my sleeping area would be. So that's why I had to put the partition wall in. But other than that, little things like that, it's a perfect rig and she'll take you where she needs to go. You could even say it's not so bad.